We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. And it ended up dying on us. I don't know why. It's got a brand new alternator. No, it doesn't. It's pretty new though. Jumping in with the baby CRV. Alright, it's back on. I'm gonna sustain it until we finish bleeding the system with the baby CRV. Hopefully it holds. Yeah, I don't know why. I mean, it did spill a bunch of coolant on the alternator right now, but shouldn't be a reason why it's dying on me. It just, all the lights dimmed in the dashboard, and then it just boom. Guys, we're just about to go get the alternator. And I cleaned off my contacts on the battery real good. And we look down in there. And the connector for the alternator is just in pieces. Look at it. It's gone. Look at it. So I started moving the harness, and when I pulled it this way, the battery light on the dash would go out. So I pushed down on the little connectors down there as much as I could. Pulled it this way and I put a couple zip ties. Now we gotta try to find that connector down there. So it wasn't our alternator. We got a bad connector. If we can't find it, we'll just order it on Amazon. Switch it out. Hopefully this holds for now. Hopefully. Alright guys, we're back with the Altima. We finally got our little alternator connector. That's our part number right there. Hopefully this is our main issue. We're about to replace it. Alright guys, there's our old one. It's all crusty and broken into pieces. See it? Barely holding on. And this is how I was keeping it charging. I just pushed the harness this way. Held it in place with a couple of zip ties just to keep those wires in place. Just gotta remember which color goes where, because I do not want to lose it. Then I'm just gonna literally chop it from the connector, splice it right onto this one, and then drop it right in. Wish us luck, guys. Wish us luck. So it's light pink and then brown. That order. Look at my pins weren't even lined up correctly anymore. It was so destroyed. Yup, they were all popped out. Now let's put the new one in. Yellow, red, and brown. Alright guys, so we can cut the wires and splice them together, but I really just want to get this adapter piece and just pop those in. So what I'm doing is there's a little opening in this thing there. See that little opening right there? This one in the back. I'm just sliding my wire through that hole. Since this one's so thick, I'm opening it up into two. I'm sliding this one in through the hole, and I'm wrapping them both together. I know it'd be easier to just cut and splice, but if I had the tool, I'd get these wires out of this plastic piece and then just pop these into this and then put it right in the connector. That's what I want to do. I think that's what I'm gonna do. You just need a little special tool. I tried to use a little needle to pop these out, but I couldn't. What do you guys think? Am I wasting my time here? Should I just cut them and splice them and get it over with? They sent me everything. What do you think, guys? What do you think? And then I would just have to tape this up. I don't know yet, guys. Might just be wasting my time doing this way. And I could just... Alright, guys. I really want to save my connectors. I'm gonna see if I could track down just this one. So I didn't cut my old wires. I literally just stuck them like I showed you into each one, and I just taped it up. I'm gonna leave it like this for now. I can always come in here and cut them. Still have all my pieces, but if I could just replace this connector and I have to cut my wires, I'd prefer that. So I'm gonna plug it up, see what happens, guys. Alright, guys, it's plugged in. It worked. It's a perfect plug. I wish I could have popped those stupid wires out. But alright, let's see. Let's see if this solved our issue. Let's start the car.